So most people solve this question like cancel this 9 by 9 and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, right? So now we use 0 divide this 1. So 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one subtraction, here division, and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication and division. But multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 9 minus 9. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 9 as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this second fraction. 1 upon 9 is equal to 9 upon 1 multiply 9, right? So now 9 upon 1 is equal to 9, so we can remove this one easily, right? Now here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. But here we have two multiplication and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication, right? So now 9 minus 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81 multiply 9, right? So now here we have one subtraction and here one multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication, right? So 9 minus, now 81 multiply 9 is equal to 729. So 9 minus 729 is equal to minus 720. So the correct answer is minus 720, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.